Ready everyone? Take out a note. Today one time telling you, silently do that one. That's it. Today session will be non-stop session. 3 o'clock I will be going to Triple Kundram. That time only your scores will be given. Yes. Now listen, word problem is always a big problem for everyone. I decided to take word problem today. Most of the word problems are coming problem for everyone. Why? Because they are not listening me. Just 1 minute. I'm sending the link first. Innovation, good evening. Everyone get ready for the class, please. Now look here. Yes. Get ready. Maha, inform everyone. Those students specifically who are not getting good score, Ashwarya and all, to join the session today. Now look here. Some questions are there, which is very problem for everybody. What are the roots of this equation? Come on, start solving the question with no time. Everybody must start solving the question, please. You need to answer the question. Sophia, Maha, and Lavashan. 3 are there.
Ma'am.
What is the correct answer here? First thing, what is the equation given? 3x square minus 6x is there. So when this situation is there, what we need to do is, this is given 3x square minus 6x equal to 0. Take 3x common, it will become x minus 2 equal to 0. 1 time x is coming as 0 and 2. So answer is D. Let's see how many of they have given the answer. First person who has given the answer is Ilavashan. Okay, everybody get ready. The correct answer here is D. You need to be very fast. Total 95 pages are there. Like this type of questions we are expecting this year. उसका वीडियो मैं भेज दूंगी बेटा, उसके लिए नहीं, आज 10th का रिवीजन कर रहे हैं. Please, a teacher asked 3 students to complete the following statement about the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Understood? So there are 3 types of nature of roots of quadratic equation. If somebody will be asking you the roots of quadratic equation, what and all are there? Can you tell me? First part is when we are writing discriminant is real and see when b will be greater equals 0. So 3 real and distinct. Real and distinct means when x will have 2 different values. Basic rule of quadratic equation, everybody please understand. Okay, one time. See, whenever you are getting any quadratic equation, there are certain rules. Okay. So what and all rules are there? One time quickly we will have a recap about it. Okay. So any quadratic equation given to you as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 given as. So first we will find discriminant. Understood? When we are finding discriminant, then discriminant is written as b square minus 4ac. The entire solution is based on this only. Okay, Maha, today full shot I am waiting for your performance. Today 4 people performance I am very nicely going to check. Okay, Vendan, good evening, beta. Good afternoon. Vendan, today full part I want you to practice nicely. Now, beta, one time will come b is greater equal 0, strictly greater than 0. Okay. This is roots are real and distinct. Distinct means what, beta? Distinct means 2 different values. Here x will have 2 different values, not 1 different value. X will have how many different values? Two different values. You remember this part. Don't real and distinct. Very good. And everyone, please keep answering. Roots are real and distinct. One last time we are revising. I told you, you come forward near so that you can see. You can come place quickly. Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Means two different values. So here we are expecting two values of x. One value of x can be 1 by 2 or 3. Means two different values. Two different values. X will have how many different values? Two different values. So this is called as real and distinct. What is the meaning of roots are equal? When discriminant will become equal to 0. Discriminant becomes equal to 0. X will have roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. In this case, x will have both same answer. Understood? X will have both same answer. Means D will be having same answers that case. Another last condition we have already studied long back. These are roots are imaginary. What it is called as? Imaginary. Roots are imaginary. It is not at all real. Roots are imaginary. Sanjay, word problems we are going to do today very carefully. Be a part of it. So roots are imaginary. I hope you might have understood. See, listen. Many children, they are exactly diverted to 3-4 classes. They are thinking this part, that section. I will study from these many people. Means answers will come. It's not. You have to focus in one target point. Understood? Otherwise, the score will not come. You will be totally diverted and you will not be getting a perfect score also. Focus in one direction. Understood? So now we are going to go for our perfect work. Our work was this one already we were discussing about a question. Now look here. In that part, one simple technique. Okay, thank you so much. So now look here. In one part, I am going to explain you one very important section. Please remember, okay, whenever any quadratic equation is given to you, see, please understand this part. Whenever any graph is given to you connected to quadratic equation, please follow these sections nicely. First part is beta, okay, whenever any quadratic equation graph is given to you like this, that means x is touching how many points? 2 points. 2 points. So this is a case when it is real and distinct. Understood? Real and distinct. So here it will be two conditions. Like this will be there, or it can be like this also. Understood? So when these two are there, two different points, the curve is touching means how many value of x you are getting? Two values. How many value of x you are getting? Two values. But here only one thing. When you are checking this one, ax square plus bx plus c, here a is positive. And when the mouth is down, remember everyone, last minute revision we are doing, everything has to be remembered. Here a will be negative. Remember, A will be negative, then mouth will be down. Note down, when it is mouth is down means it is negative. Silly mistakes students are doing and coming in examination hall. They are exactly not remembering the simple techniques because they are busy watching other people. You need to now focus in your own mistakes. I hope you might have understood. Silly things are there which people are doing mistake. Mouth up means coefficient A will be positive. Mouth down means it is negative. Touching the curve by 2 points on x-axis. How many roots are there? 2 roots are there. And when it is not at all touching, it is touching 1 point. How many roots are there? 1. Understood, but same value. Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. So these are certain things we must remember. I hope you might have understood. So whenever roots, the graph is not at all touching x-axis, no real roots. Understood not? No real roots. Because the curve has to touch somewhere on x-axis. Then only the values are coming. I hope you might have understood. So everything has to be remembered very precisely. I hope you might have understood this one. So now we are going to go for the next section. Get ready everyone. Are you all ready for it? Come on, we will start our next work. So what the question is given to you? Here the question is telling everybody start solving the question. If q square minus 4pr is greater than 0, the roots of quadratic equation will be dash.
Real and distinct. Real and distinct.
First you check who and all is correct here. A teacher asked 3 students to complete the following statement of the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Q square minus 4pr is greater than 0. The roots of quadratic equation will be, Zain answered always positive. Okay, Vipul answered positive if P and Q and N are positive. Suman answered negative if P and Q and R are positive and answered correctly. Then who answered it correctly? Suman answered correctly because it is always going to be correct, na? Real, and it is exactly going to be correct. So Suman answered negative if P and Q and R are positive. Who's answered correctly? Who gave correct answer? Suman or Zen? How Suman gave correct answer? Everybody please check. All 3 are positive given. All three are positive given. Everybody please answer the question. Maha is telling A as answer. How many people are giving the answers? Come on, check. Give the answer please. Okay, now look here. I have to give some word problems also, so I need to close it as fast as possible. The correct answer is, how many of you are saying A? Those people who are saying A, they are absolutely wrong. Understood? The people, those who have given answer as A, they are absolutely wrong. If you could have selected B, then also it is absolutely wrong. If you could have selected D, then also it is wrong. If you could have selected C, then only you are correct. So those people who have given C, Suman as answer, see, Suman is answering. See, what is the answer? Q square minus 4pr is strictly greater than 0. Understood? What is the condition given first? First, go for the condition and then check and do analysis. What is your quadratic equation? Your quadratic equation is px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Understood? So if I find discriminant means it will become q square minus 4pr. Understood? So now q square minus 4pr is greater equals 0. So that means now if somebody will find the value of x, it will become minus q plus minus q square minus 4pr by 2p. Correct? So this is the equation that is coming. So two cases will come. One time x will be coming as minus q plus root under q square minus 4pr by 2p. Another case will come when minus q minus q square minus 4pr by 2p is coming. So these are the two cases, correct? So in both the cases, now let's see Zen answered always positive. So they go the roots of the quadratic equation. They are saying roots. Roots means alpha and beta. One is telling alpha and beta is always positive. It's not possible. Alpha can be positive or negative. Understood? Second part is someone people is telling positive if P, Q, R are positive. Understood? Suman answers the roots will be negative if P, Q, R are positive. Understood or not? So if, see, this is exactly not possible. Vipul answered positive if P, Q, R are positive. If P, Q, R are positive also and Q will be exactly positive and these two will be negative, then also this situation is not coming. So when all will be, Suman answered roots will be negative if P, Q, R are positive. So that means the coefficient A, B, C, if all the three are positive, then root will become negative. This is the most important part. Note down please. Note down this section. Those who are not knowing, I am giving you one part for it. Please note down this part. These are some of the factorization rules. Okay. Some basic rules are there. That rules you please remember that. Half mark, half mark, half mark. This time factorization will come for 2 marks. Remember, note down, factorization is coming for 2 marks. Word problem is expected for 3 marks. Yes, word problem is expected for 3 marks. Are we ready? Age problem, distance problem, time equations, these are most important questions which can hit. Yeah, I'm going to solve those questions today. Today is the quadratic day now. Some students have solved, sent some questions. Have everybody ready? One by one, I'm going to give you all the important works. Please kindly remember, it will be negative if PQR are positive. If PQR3 are positive. ये पता था तुमको? Which of the following is a quadratic equation? Fastly do. These type questions we should not waste time. Which of the following? This is first one is not a quadratic equation. Why? Because if you will solve first one, you see this is CBSE 2020 question. So if more questions you will encounter, more important information you will learn. So please kindly check this one out. What is the correct answer coming here?
Ma'am, C, ma'am.
C is the correct answer. Let's see. Now, first part is if you solve this one, this will give you x square plus 2x plus 1. It will become x square plus 16 minus 8x plus 3. This x square cancel. Now, it will become linear equation because highest degree left is 1. Now, here we will go minus 2x square. If you will multiply with this again, minus 2x square will come. So, this is not. Now, here k plus 1 x square, here x. So this is 100% a quadratic equation. This is a cubic equation. So our correct answer is C. So those people who are solving the question, please kindly go for this part.